Okay, here's the tools I'm going to use. This Meguires headlight coating, that's what I'm going to use to spray on it to protect it after I'm finished. 2000 grit sandpaper, 2500, and then 1000. I got a sanding block too. Some water, microfiber towel, and a Griot's Garage random orbital polisher. So first what you're going to do is you're going to get the more coarse sandpaper and you're going to spray it with some water, and then you're going to spray this. You can also tape it off if you want. I'm not going to tape this off just because I am going to paint it later. So spray that off. You want to clean this as well before you do anything, which I've already done. So now you're just going to go up and down like this, and already you can see some of the oxidation coming off. I'm going to do a really light sand with this just because it is not that bad a condition. Just keep spraying it as you go. I'm going to spray my block off somehow. Get all that excess dirt and grime off of it. Keep going. Okay, when you're done with that, simply wipe it off. Okay, now you go to 2500 grit. Okay, so now I got my 2000 grit sandpaper, and I'm gonna sand this one. So first you wanna clean it off or get it wet. Next you're gonna spray your sandpaper. And from there, just a little more wet. Sand away. Okay, that's what it looks like right now. Now we're gonna go to the 2500 grit. Again, we're gonna spray that off and spray the sandpaper down, and then go at it again. Okay, now we're gonna buff it out and polish it and then spray that protective coating on it. This is where you really see the results. So I got my buffer right there. I put some rubbing compound or polisher, whatever you want on it. Turn it on. Okay, when you're done polishing it, get your microfiber towel, wipe it down. Okay, now we're going to do a final step. So I got this headlight coating. What you want to do is you'll apply one medium wet coat and allow it to overheat. And then you allow it to sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you put another coat on. And then you allow it to sit for about 24 hours. So if you're doing this, you may want to do it in the night. Just leave your car parked inside. Do not park it outside, obviously. And then should be good to go in the morning, or if you want to wait longer. But I've seen them usually dry pretty quick. So what we're going to do is just do a light spray. Okay, so that's the first coat. Okay, it's nice and dry, so we're going to apply the second layer. Okay, I'm just going to wipe the residue off a little bit. Okay, and then again, let it dry. Okay, that's what it looks like when it's done. Looks brand new. Really good. Turned out really nicely.